Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's that time again with TJ for a trading recap of all of my trades for the day. So, today Uncle Powell was speaking, and something unusual happened. It wasn't as erratic as we're accustomed to seeing Uncle Powell with his speeches, meaning that maybe it's starting to fade, the erratic behavior, sort of like the pandemic effects due to all of the economic data being not as sensitive to the market as it used to be. So we're probably slowly starting to get to pre-pandemic days where these things are not affecting the market as much, right? So today, though, things moved pretty well, pretty good. I had about nine trades, 3 break-evens, 2 losses, and 4 gains, okay? So, unfortunately, 2 of them I'm not going to show because I didn't record them. The Powell thing, I was looking at the news, I got distracted a few times, but the rest of them I did record, so I'm going to show them. So my first one that was not recorded was my NQ, which was a price action plus trend line play, and I went for 10 points, which is 40 ticks, and it was a long play. So my second one, which is the one you're seeing right now, was also on Nasdaq. It was for a long, and it was just a price action play, and it got to 40 points, but I took a trailing profit of 20 points, which is 80 ticks. Check it out. And then I went in again on another NQ long, also a price action play, and this one unfortunately was a loss. Check it out. And then the second one that I'm also not going to be able to show because I didn't record it was my Dow Jones play. It was a short based on an oscillator indicator play, and it was a loss. But the one that you're seeing right now is also Nasdaq, and this was also a price action play, but it was a short, and this was my biggest gain for the day, which ran 70 points, and that's the equivalent of 280 ticks. But I trailed with a profit of 50 points, which was 200 ticks. Check it out. And then finally, I went in on the S&P 500, which is ES, and I went for a long on a Renko indicator, and it moved 24 ticks, but I came out at a trailing 10 tick profit. Check it out. And then here's my balance. As you can see, I made just over $100. You know, today was a much better day. Actually, this is probably one of the best days I played during a Powell day. So I'm pretty happy and excited about that. Uncle Powell is going to be speaking tomorrow as well. But guys, this is what it takes. I'm hoping that my videos are going to inspire you and help you understand that this is the life of trading. This is how day trading works. You're going to have good days, you're going to have bad days. And the reality is you have to learn how to weather the bad days, because when the good days come, then you will be able to deal with them. And sometimes when you go through a loss or you go through an adversity, it's actually a good thing because it forces you to tweak and make your strategy better. For me, I had to do that. And so it forced me to say, hey, maybe I should be going for more runs in order to really offset any time that my strategy isn't working very well for any particular day. So this is what I'm going to be doing. And I was forced in this place because my drawdown is very low. And so it helped me to do this. But see, this is the best way to do it, because if you didn't have a prop firm like Apex, you wouldn't be able to figure these things out. The only way to do that is if you got an account. So check out for Apex, 90% off. It might be expired, 80% off. It might be expired already. There's another one that's also coming out on TPT, Takeprofit Trader as well. You can look into that as well. As 40%, no activation fee. You can check that out as well. The Apex one has the links in the description and in the comments. So check it out and try and hone the skill. It's a skill like any other skill, but this will actually make you a good amount of money that you can actually live off of well with your family or by yourself if you're single, if you learn how to trade. Okay? So until tomorrow, take care. God bless.